They will be on my terrace. Talk to him nice. Talk to him nice.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, so it's a boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. And you know, today we're out here fishing in by the Jetty. Day 2 days. And you know, we caught some grunt, some snapper, and some other fish. Some other fish. I'll even get a barracuda. You see me? So check out the channel and see where I go on. That is it. Leverage, leverage, leverage. The leverage. The leverage, yeah. The leverage. The leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright. Yeah, we'll go on Leverage Nation. Quick look update before we go there fishing. We just get some Taco Bell because they have some chicken thing. I know say those chicken the most they consume, so they have some new chicken wrap. Wrap taco. We're gonna try. See it.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let me try that chicken taco.
Avocado or barbecue?
Barbecue.
Right. Is that sweet today?
No, that's it. Yeah, so that was $3. Yeah, so. Alright, so watch it now, right now. Finally take too long for change, you know. Right now, see taco them. I don't know if you can see it properly. Can't even see chicken in there. But what them are doing now? Yeah. Me? Yeah, the light see me, so take a one bite, see me, and see if we can drive and shell it, but we'll not see that part there. Taste barbecue now. Have a vibe. Soft taco. Time, moving on. Yeah man, Michelle, the taco man, but reach at the bait shop right now. So we can get right now. I think we'll just get some dead bait. I don't know about live one. So I said, all kind of bait did I get? Live dead. Dead. Oh, okay. Bucket.
That's up here.
Oh, yeah, what's up? What's up? Which one again?
Alright, and then these them slide off the hook too easy.
Oh, yeah, just get one.
Yeah, I guess I'll just go ahead.
That's a tool.
I think it on.
I don't know.
How y'all doing?
Alright, good.
Gonna do it for you, boss?
Yeah, that's it.
554.
Alright.
What's good? They just ask if you want a tip. Let's go 40%.
Oh.
Alright, thank you. Good luck to
Thanks.
y'all.
Alright.
Yeah, Leverage Nation time to get some.
On to the next.
Yeah, Leverage Nation. Time to catch some giants, man.
I gotta see him in further news. I don't know. I don't. 4? Okay. Alright, the jetty is open, right?
It's open.
Alright.
Seaweed, but yeah.
A lot of seaweed?
A lot of seaweed.
Alright. So Leverage Nation, they are the park right now, but here security say a lot of seaweed. So let's see, you know. Jano. Right now, Leverage Nation, we're there. We're out here have a little stench. Nah lie, but beautiful, but it have a little stench. Change off in your shoes, you know, because I don't know, so I don't know if I climb on some rocks or the jetty open, but here one now, they say the jetty have a lot of seaweed, so I forgot to see about that one day, you know? Yeah. So yeah, Leverage Nation. Rod, bucket. Yes. Rod and bucket. Alright, so Leverage Nation, we're there. Come in now.
Yeah, Leverage Nation, we're there like the mayor. I touch on the jetty, see if we can get some snap and something. So, lucky and stay tuned. Subscribe if you like it, don't know anything.
Alright, Leverage Nation. You know Leverage. So clear. When I come through the gate, the man that say a whole heap of seaweed there about in the water.
Seaweed.
Yeah.
Probably that's why it tastes so stink.
Yeah, so a whole heap of seaweed inside jetty open, but a whole heap of seaweed, so we have to go see how that go. And
Let's go work, crony. Go try work, crony, boy.
Oh, you have the you have the shrimp up there.
Yeah, the shrimp. Yeah.
What you call that?
I remember.
Noonie.
I don't know this.
So
I say, you know, some left Jamaica too long, you know. You go come here.
Alright.
She has back up first. Let me take care of the car.
Trump, get him. Get him, Trump.
Ow.
He's been here too long. Yeah. Yes, so Leverage Nation, we just walk and see a beautiful view. We just give one little prep site and then we'll reach our destination and see where we're going. Because last time we showed the walkway, because we came here before, you know. The ship will come through.
Couple of them container there, somebody in there. You have people in there. The traffic people.
So I have the smaller boat, them a dock it in. Alright, I say it come. Oh, so they must start that guy the thing from now. Wow, look. It's going to take it then to dock it, ain't it? So guide it.
Let us cross over. Have to be human body.
We're out here on the jetty and just come along and see what happens. Gonna walk all the way to the end. So the last time we went fishing was actually on the rocks over here, over this side of the beach, right on these rocks, because then we close off the jetty. And we close off the jetty, so now they open it.
I'm fishing between the signs.
Which sign? Because we see a sign right here, so right?
I'm afraid of the fish.
Hmm?
That's a good one, afraid of the fish. Don't know that. I don't see nobody, you know. And the rules are only valid when people, when authorities is about. Alright, let's see all that's going on. Chop the head one more time. If not, then remove.
It's alright now, Leverage Nation. Like I said the last time we were over here, so on them side up on the rock with a fish. They never open the jetty as yet, so we open it now. Now we go down to the end. You know!
Time for me to see that the fish there. Alright, them boys just did a swim. Well,
Nothing, so we're gonna, so guys, we're gonna move up there, so no, and see where I go on. Fish it. We're gonna set it up.
Big oil are going up like big, you know, dog.
Yeah.
Look again, look again. Yeah, I feel me now, see them roll right there, dog. Yeah, see the small one mixed with the big one. Underneath the small one, I'm showing them. I continue showing them. I'm showing you, you know. That the one they are parrotfish, the blue one. But here, brother, some big dog.
We're going to end and throw up a line and see what we catch today. You know, Leverage. Hopefully we catch something, you know. Sun kind of hot although it's in the evening, isn't it? Yeah. What's where I go on, man?
You want? That was the brain?
All right. So now, reach at the end, the far out. So yeah, you know Leverage Nation. We have some shrimp we're going to use, and we're going to see what we catch, if we have no luck today or not. So yeah. Clay.
Climb over?
Huh?
You want to climb over?
No.
Why?
Let Clay climb over. Yo.
Said she want to set up, man. And I said, go climb over. Now, that's so far, it's not going to easy. Look, Leverage, look, come and be at the club. Watch out. Look out. Good fish. Good fish.
Dog.
Whatever, look. Look at the land, dog. No, I'm never gonna probably cross over for real, dog. Never gonna probably climb over.
All right. Wonder if it's too far. That is it. So leverage nation, we wheel him out. We're gonna see if we catch anything if we have no luck today. It's a clear step overboard. They might catch something. So let's see. Oh. Wait. Get off. Get off. Stuck, you know? Yeah. Early. You don't get to push it out. That's it.
Line stuck already, brother. Dog.
Right, so it's not a good spot to reel it up. Better we step over on the stone. Peace.
Guys, I used to be a YouTuber. I know what to do.
I know what I'm on it. Leverage.
Come back up. You probably lose a hook.
Leverage. Leveraging.
Is it? Everything there?
Probably, yeah.
Ah, no.
Oh no.
Yeah, the funny, I just something broke off.
Oh no.
I just I want line here, the hook, the funny see him. So that's how a pro does it. Just go pro and take off.
Boom boom. Not sponsored.
NLB if sponsor me.
Cute little brother activities.
Little brother. Don't be a big man now, look up.
Leverage boss TV. You don't know, so we're there around. Mad up the place right now. The fishing I got mad. The fishing I got turn up. You don't know, so out there I get some bite all load the fish, make me gone underneath the stone. But here me I say now, you know Leverage, just check in and watch where I go, man. Cause we're gonna see where I go. Yeah, we're out. Oh shit.
It's so hot. I feel like I'm about to die. At least you're having a good time, right?
Which cruise this? Disney Dream. A Disney cruise.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. Work on it. Disney Dream. Oh, stop.
say hi. Okay, pretty princess.
Everybody waving. Look, touch. A lot of people waving out. Yo, everybody start waving.
Very
You
nice.
just keep your hand up from me. Just keep waving. Everybody look. All floors. From top to bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, I was
Bye,
worship and wave
Negroes.
to 3 people. Yeah. I was worship and wave to 3 people.
Look at them in the restaurant.
Yo, look on it up top. Look on it. Like
Yeah.
a water park thing. Yeah. Right to the end. Don't stop to the floor. Don't stop. Can't stop to the path. Don't stop. Look at the end. You see? They're still away here.
Hook gone. Hook gone.
Oh no. The hook is gone.
You know, before we try that, I'm gonna try a swim bait, dog.
What?
A swim bait.
Oh. Okay, may I get bite, you know? Feel like may I get bite. Right away. Hold on, I want to go on that. Ah, him stuck me, you know? Him stuck me. Yeah. Shit. One of them can't get it out. Ah, too much rocks right there, someone. It can't go work. But okay. Shimon, can swim? You can swim, right? Okay.
But the rocks gonna bruise them up in dead same way. Swim or not. Get that down. No.
So you're fishing are going. You think we are catching on?
Yeah, so far we have good amount of bait left. You see me, we have good amount of bait left and we have a whole heap of daylight left. So anything possible. Plus me see fish don't start swim, so we could just really wait and see what we can get there. But yeah man, so far so good, it look promising. Stay tuned people.
Right now, me, I just start and choke my line and steer it and see if I catch nothing. So. see if I catch nothing. Yes, 8. Mad thing, man. We're out here. You know, leverage nation. Just one of them thing there. Yeah. Watch out now. Oh, Bucky, what's that?
Slight bend too. I'm like, whoa, that's some hard.
So right now we're there. I'm going to wait. We don't see nothing yet, but I mean we enjoy the moment. Nice little sunshine in our evening here. We don't know if it's clear over there, so I'll try to get it done.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, so far. Want to catch something to do.
No.
So we don't know where we're going. It's in a leverage nation, but stay tuned. You don't know anything, but you know.
Spot. I need a new spot, dog.
I one time we tried a spot there, you know. Walk at on a rough still, so. And maybe them not bite them time, so you don't know anything, but we're there just to keep you know, update and post and see where you're going. So you know, just watch and see where you're going, man. Yeah, so leverage nation, we're there one spot. The spot where we over the side where we normally there before. You see me? Wipe him off. Yeah. What I do? Okay. Check out and see where you're going, you know?
And you say I can't get in the water? No.
They're snorkeling.
I don't care. They're
They
still
didn't even
swimming.
bring nothing.
They're swimming.
Snorkeling, swimming, same thing, eh?
They getting water and you just... Your car still is on. Wait up with them here. You have to wait in there. Alright. Alright, you can't do it just up.
For real?
Anything in well done. If I get you, I never just leave it there.
That's why I realized
No bites?
nobody.
Spear fishing, them other brother. Yeah.
Oh yeah, so this one.
And that make I do. Spear fish.
Yeah, let's go.
So I'll big fish out there and there's not bite.
You know, leverage nation, so we're out here. I don't know, say, we do some fishing and thing, but no luck today. Bait done. We get a minimum bait for those catch. Warm up and see where I go on, but we don't really catch. We get a couple bite, but then get to it and things, so nothing for really, you know. But we're out here, see me clear them have one a try. Clear them have one a try catch, you know, but nothing so far, so we wrap it up still, you know. Yeah man, people out here seeing me. A fish seeing me, you know. People in there. Yeah man, so that's all the vibe same way. Check in. You know, you know. Yeah, so right now I go back. You know, so today was not so lucky. We get a couple bites and things, so but them take the bait and gone, you know. So I just one of them day there until Next time I get how much catch something, I start going and fishing. Sometime we catch, sometime we don't. And we're just there go and bill, you know. We're not catching nothing, you know, so
I'm not catching nothing either, brother. I know I go on dog. The only thing I catch is a big batty girl. That alone, boy. I'm not catching nothing. So we'll go in. Hopefully this is the part 1 of a part 2. But yeah man, at least we come out and we have some fun, so we have to give thanks same way. That's a leverage. Yeah, that's a dog.
Alright, Leverage Nation, this is day 2 of fishing right now. We are get back some bait. We have different crew. Yeah man, I'll say ready for fishing.
Well, right now, active.
Active, we're fully active, so we're there now. I'm going there, you see me? So I get some bait. Same spot where we got the last time. Yeah, so we'll work and get this. So check in and we'll go back on the Jetty. Day 2 on the Jetty, you see me? Alright, Leverage. I'll get some. Get one of them shrimp, yeah. Oh, when I get?
This shrimp in there, where, sir?
Oh no.
Shrimp. Oh, see shrimp there.
A shrimp. No, you're not side there. You're not side them there, no. No, him bend this. No, them this. The silver side them,
No, they don't want to know good.
Oh. You ready, Brittany?
Yep. Is it?
Yes, so Leverage Nation. Just check in and watch you are going. You see me?
Because the big.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm broken up with that. Oh.
Is the camera high? The camera high?
She want more than that shrimp.
Hi.
That's a Leverage. Oh, you could have taken them separate?
Yeah, man, I don't want the two of them.
Oh, okay. Hello.
That's it?
Yeah.
How much is this one?
They're 25 each.
25 like one. One time. One time use of though?
All together?
Oh, yeah, you can just do that.
Cash or card?
Are we happy cash?
Okay.
Well, let's be separate now.
Separate? $6.
Okay. So check in and see where I'm going. We'll reach our thing on the way. Pay for the bait then. Oh. Yeah? Oh. Yeah, I can't. I have change. I get back change.
How much is one
Uh,
Oh, you have separate already?
Yeah.
$2.75 for the
Yeah,
lemonade.
make you just buy beer juice with this, bro.
1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4, 5.
And this go with the juice.
Cash or card? Cash. 42 even.
I don't know.
42. I have to pay for it. Yeah, we want the change. We want to change the pay for it. Oh, you
I
don't pay
can't.
for
I
it?
can't. I pay for it.
Oh.
Well, no. I'm not pay. I pay for this already.
I pay them too?
No.
Oh. I'm with a bag to please.
Mr. Miller, is today a good day to fish?
I would say so.
Oh, okay. How is it, Jetty?
Going out to the Jetty. I ain't seen it today, but every day is a good day at first.
Alright, have a good one. Alright. Ah, they're sitting around there, so.
That's anything? Small fish.
Small?
Yeah.
Okay. How many you caught?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing? Alright. Small. Boy, that don't look good. Yeah, it's a small.
Yeah, man. They come and try to catch. Yeah, man. A shark. They not try to catch. I mean, I catch the biggest fish today. I tell you that right now.
Biggest.
Okay,
The fish, man. Beautiful day.
That's the way the sea sign, you can't read.
I think I see him on the clear and see, you know. Silver side. Silver side, it's not good.
Yeah, man. The red line.
Then we see something like pipe somewhere, you know.
Nobody go. Oh. But we need water, bro. We need water.
Pour. For your fish?
Out the bait.
Give me a bucket.
They might go over there.
Get it started, you know.
What? Hot. Heat a crutch you.
Start out the bait. Let's sweat.
Yeah, leverage nation. Let's check in. We have taught the bait now.
More time it is.
I'm not beating her.
So watch where I go on now. We are set up. Sharp. Check in. Out!
Mutton that, you know. Mutton that, you know. Mutton that, you know. Mutton that, me, I really look at
How we looking? Oh, you set up.
yeah, man, I tie up him, you know.
Hold on, I come out and well organized, man. Everything. I'm not drive too fast out of it.
No, you don't come here to now, no lead. I mean, I think go forget little lead, you know. No scissors. No people.
So all I line them out right now, so we are just chill and relax and see what we are catch. You see me? We have to catch something today. At least something. Yeah man, that's a leverage. Alright, see that? First one.
First grunt, you know.
First grunt. Keeper. Fling him in the water.
You tell us, I'm here catch the first one, man.
You
No, what do some man? No, what do some man? Yeah. First one, man. Put him in a bucket. And then stay cool in the water, same way.
That is it.
First one, man.
First one, he right? Yo, I say come up so fast, not even notice to catch the record the reel up, but that time, hopefully we catch one when I'm reel it up, but yeah.
You bring them out to catch one then how?
Mm-hmm.
Don't run with him, man. Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Don't go like you want to embarrass me, you know. Shit in gone. He pull out in jog off with us a while ago.
So really that time I set my own bad too.
I'm one of them, man.
Oh, that's right.
Put your man from the other side.
Bring me a jug, man. No, yeah, we don't check this out now.
Oh dear, you see leverage nation, check in and see where I'm going. Great adventure, sunny day. You know the whole team out.
I think when I did to me.
Be a parrotfish.
Take time. Take time. You fish get well. Take time when you fish get well. See me? I want chuck. One chuck. Oh, shit up.
We want him to see him.
No matter. Woo. No.
Yo, put him over the sun and make him shit for me.
Are you?
That is it.
Me no matter. You no matter. You can't fry.
That is it.
Fry
And
him
him
dry.
jump off.
Fry him dry.
What you say?
What? I'm here, I tell you, I'm here on this, yeah?
Biggest one so far.
Me. I'm here response to you again.
Man him jump off, you know, man him jump off.
You know.
Not a leverage, you don't know leverage nation. Oh, tear. Also catch one. We catch everything too, you know.
What are you? Silver side.
Alright, Beanie man.
Man say, man, the king.
King. One king.
One king.
Any other king, a Burger King. Yeah. Remember, one king.
And gone, man.
Come on. Hold on.
Right now. Nice day, man. Hope and I enjoy it. You see me? Yeah.
Go catch it on the vlog when you take up with fish. Go catch it.
Go on, take out the fish, boy.
Take him up and put it in the bucket over here. Put it in the bucket.
Take him up.
Take him up and put it in the bucket. Huh?
Take him up.
Brother, you want to wheelie me and you don't want to take him up. Take him up and put it in the bucket, brother. Take him up. Take him up. Why not? Go on. Watch it cook on your feet. See the funny?
Yeah, you should have wait, brother.
That's what they do me a while ago, you know. I see him if you bite up. You afraid? Yeah. Hold him down like this. Yeah, you're pleasing here and be a shitty machine.
They'll be on my terrace.
Woo! You know. Nothing better than this right now. Out. Bunch of beautiful sands out there. On the edge of the rocks. You know. Chilling right now. Good fishing day, you know.
See that V-block. Benny, how are you going now? Benny now. Benny, how are you now? Yo, great him beat your record, remember by his barrow.
Oh, this said.
Answer one liquor than
If me did have,
answer one liquor like a silver side.
If me did have one bigger line, put it on your finger out and say, look at it.
Well, look how you liquor on the size fish where you want to eat, huh? Want it as bait?
No, so I'm not relying on it. Yeah, that evil part is zero in the charity. Yo, the big one there, I mean, bend me line,
Get to it.
that me I say, look what him a try hit. Look what the big bait and look for the green. Why not swallow that? Why them wicked eat? Them other black fish in there?
Yeah.
Black?
Oh, it's on this side. Yo, good catch, man. Yeah. See it?
Gotta teach out this world.
What you gonna do with him?
You guys want him?
Huh? You guys want him? Fuck no.
You gonna keep him?
Yeah. So he say he gonna keep him, right? You gonna keep him?
No, I'm not gonna keep him.
You gonna throw him back?
No want him.
You better use some pliers, man.
Yeah.
You don't get it your hand, bitch. Now they can see.
I don't want him. Oh, if you want it, you can
want
give
it?
them. Yeah, they want it. Come feet now.
Can you take a picture for me?
Sure. Go on a video too?
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're
Who
welcome.
said they wanted it?
You want it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want it.
20 cans?
Nah. Maybe not even 10. Put it in here? Yeah.
It can't fit in. So it can't fit in there. Hold him. You have to hold him.
How do you hold him?
Right here in the gills.
Yeah.
And put your hand inside. Yeah, cause that.
Look, you got one right here. Right in there. You gonna eat that?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ate barracuda before?
Yeah, you use it and stab him in the hand, brother.
Me and my boy have a knife.
But right now, if I make try, stab him in the hand. Powerful, brother. Papi, put your hand in my mouth. Oh, you stab him. My hand there. You just stab him.
Hold him down.
Hold him down.
You can't blood up yourself, brother.
What the fuck?
No, you can't over there, brother. You can't blood up yourself. No matter what cross him, you can't over there.
Or hang him up.
Or hang him over a little bit and stab him in the
Bring him
hand,
to the
brother.
corner.
Remember my hand there, you know. Remember my hand, I don't want to stab my hand, brother. Yeah, shut your wife.
That can't hold that thing up.
That can't hold him, Brittany. Where you head there?
Right, and I someone want to stab him.
Open up.
What you say? Wheel up. What go on?
The little fish them I take set for me today. Yeah, bucket. Come on, carry bucket, come.
Where's the
Pops.
fried dry?
Yeah. Between a slice of bread.
Fried dry with a piece of bread.
Thank you, Pops. Your bucket, man.
Okay, come on, one did that same party line.
The uncle me never wear black China come out like I'm have to go haul off it.
Pot him a go in a man.
That's a pot.
Pot.
Measure what? No shoulder for me, brother.
Put in a bucket him a go, take him out.
I heard that.
Calm down.
Stand up, man. I shit,
Yeah, I'm green.
I should have done what you have.
That's a parachute.
Yeah.
It's there.
Yeah. It's called a paraglide.
Tell us that in there front there water, brother. Right there front. Oh, see them there, see them there. See them there. I'm not them.
Let me see them from earlier.
Right there. Right there.
In dead, I know you can see teeth them get red and white again.
Hey!
Bite, you know, mate. What's up, Brittany? I get a bite. Look, look, look.
I know split out your
Like him gone, is it? Oh, he never done man. I had that loan left funny.
I don't see a fish.
Yeah, measure him.
Brittany now, measure him.
After my fish? You reach 10 man.
Bring the whole one. Hot! Hot, daddy.
Hot daddy.
Pass it
Daddy.
Where you put your sofa? Where you put your
I'm
sofa?
going to help you. Pass it, tape measure. It's like I can look at that.
Watch it tomorrow, make a camera cut it.
Pass him
Watch it
something.
tomorrow.
You want me to join Brittany?
Mm-hmm.
Measure it.
Maybe I'll put them in a bag.
Not that 10 that really.
Friend that.
Not 10 man.
Not even on a rug.
So
See, use the shot, where shot you do?
So hard, yeah.
Where you have a rag? Oh, this is a rule of your ears, you don't get used.
Oh my, you better prepare for damn dry good cheers.
Can't see it?
Me not left.
You start now.
Already?
Nice one, huh?
Carry, what give me? I forgot give me bleed with my one.
It's what am I
It's
seeing
something there.
inside?
No, I want something there. It's like
Right there, I come out there, son, and go and go be the rubber and the cream. We get back white, man. By
a 10 man, see there.
At 10, now you're squeezing tail, see there, at 10.
A little bit over 10, 10 and 1
That one
centimeter.
there for me, green.
It pass you for one bigger than mine, Carrie. Amari, pass the pliers.
You might get your body like a joke
See right
of
there, so?
big fish whisperer.
A joke, I don't want
The black handle thing,
You
yeah.
see, a joke, you don't want the joke, yo.
Carrie, one bigger than mine, I'll put in a scandal bag, so.
I think I put in a about 10.
How more notion of him?
I that me, I said that's why I put in a bag.
Oh. Oh, see you no bucket there?
Romaine, yeah.
10.
Yeah, man, at 10.
Alright, show me that bucket. Yeah, man.
Pull it 10.
How can I find this spot, man?
Right, just come in and tell us, alright, just come on, see you can see man,
Shit up, brother. No, auntie.
Give me
Put in that bucket, brother.
One more. Yeah. Oh dear.
Jam fry. Watch your rod, Brittany. Watch your rod. Watch your rod. Brittany, watch your rod.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, hook him in, man.
Alright.
Hook him in. Watch out, watch out.
It's looking great.
3 bites. 3 bites.
3 bites.
Come on. Hey, come on, puppy.
Watch out. Block, watch out. Block. Watch out.
I'm ready to pop.
Come on.
2 at a time.
Hold on.
2 at a time.
Come on, for where you going now?
Yes. What players there?
Yes, all right. You know, it's a long time.
I'm going to line in, boy.
Oh my, one fishing. That's what we came out to tell you.
Show that one there. Can't manage that one there, big one that, brother.
Okay.
Oh.
And then we get excited and we keep on a figure
Brother,
about
we
it.
can't focus on dinner, brother.
Alright, next time remind me, okay?
Great, you have to put that one in a for your bucket, you know.
Triangle? Yeah. Is that it? Yeah, but put him in a few buckets, no mix up.
Alright?
Where is that? Let me pliers there. Kinda take your string gill. No man, it's stuck down in a long time. If you come out, man, it's stuck down in there. The whole line chive up, man. The whole line chive. Come for me broke out every teeth out here, man. I'm a dentist, you know, you know. Why am I get so excited? You know, I remember brothers. What is it?
What do you feel bad about?
Eh? So I forget Omari. I keep on forget Omari fishing.
Put one bait man for from here on and show you out. Oh God, you know that in the pack out everything. Where you put it for me? Put it bucket. No, hold a bucket. You know, I'm a man, I tend this with them.
Send that man.
I can find the hole.
Right. And we make film one drop off, you can catch one too. Drop off.
Hey, Omari.
We make film one drop off. You get one front and one snapper at dinner.
Fisherman, yeah.
You know one team, brother. Never eat.
Reel him up.
Really, Mari?
Reel him.
Reel him, yeah.
Yeah, Omari catch fish.
Put him over, Omar. Put him over.
Carry him over. Yay!
Put it down low.
Manager Pop.
Let me take him out.
You catch one, man.
So you catch one now, you can't see enough wheel up one. Let me see if more measure that one.
Black bucket.
Let me measure him there.
Reel him up, Omari.
That's what that is.
What?
That's back one. Yeah, idiot.
Him big.
Catch one small one. He can't manage it.
He's stuck between the rock.
Great catch one small one.
You not sleep on now? Half hour.
What's that liquor?
No, great catch
Come
one
on,
small
reel him up, Omari.
I bring the favorite fish that. I want them then. Oh, man.
You catch one. Reel. Come over. Bring over the stick. Go, step back.
One word, catch him anyway. I see Omari, I reel up one right now. Barracuda. Omari reel up on ground. No, you have to know if the I think they say we put it on and make answer fly pitch funny. You know what?
You real one, man.
Stucky stuff.
Hold it.
Omari.
Hold it, real.
Reel, Omari, reel. He heavy man rummy and he heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he heavy. Come Omari, try, come.
Real top for him.
It's a one trade man rummy. You want me to help you?
Brittany, you have one.
Brittany, you wheel up in a Brittany? I don't know whether I can get to it.
Come off right there. Come off right there.
Right now you're hot.
Look, cameraman, move out there with
Hot right now. Active. Fully active.
Don't make it swallow it, man. Eh? The fish swallow. Am I in line? I can say wheel up?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have a wheel up Brittany line too.
Oh, go on now. Somebody catch him, you know?
I feel line in the pan, man. I feel hooking in my mouth, brother. Brittany, let go. Let loose out for your line, Brittany. Yes, wheel up in our grade. Take out your time out then.
Hold on, we have to officially say who catch it, you know.
Answer.
I'm a green man. Never can. Bro, I jack me check up in my mouth, so you hook there? You don't catch him good enough. You don't catch him good. That's not thing, man. I have 9 brother or 8. Keep him. Everybody want him still brother. Put him down over there, everybody want him brother. I'm chopping you have to go wheel up here.
Yeah.
I want to get over God.
Shit up. Come move him over the circle before I splash up one way.
Yo, no, the leverage.
Did he splash it today?
That is it.
See that you want?
That is more, man. That's
10
man. This more, man.
This one.
Yes.
One leverage man.
What is this?
Yeah, man. Dirty mangrove, man. Them I want, man.
Dirty mangrove, yeah?
Man, juke me now.
Eh? Yeah, go start come fishing in the channel.
So like?
Put your big finger down on the head and so. Put your finger down on the head.
Man, you see it?
Oh, nice, another one look like a living car.
Nah, jump
You look like a living car.
Yeah, man, you know I'm jump up, man. I them they want, man.
Mari, you don't go buy fish food or something. We have some pretty.
You want to come fishing, you have to learn to take it.
Them they want.
You want to come fishing. Oh, I see that. Silver sign. No sand perch that.
Yes, Throatin! Sand perch, best fish ever!
You want sand perch?
Best fish ever!
Talk to me.
Talk to you!
Talk to me.
Talk to you! Talk to him nice!
Leverage. Fishing hot.
Hey, then fishing nice, you know? That is mine.
Best eating ground them the brother.
Hot. I shrimp that.
Yeah, man, I should.
They tell us them good.
No man, I'm a bite to see him way, brother. Ever ready to go fishing?
What are we looking at?
Just get something small and throw him back.
I grant that. What size am I for this? What size am I for this?
You know, man, you have no limit. You can't keep.
Okay. Nice fried dry, man.
Yeah, man. Fry him nice. 2 slices of bread. That's it.
Oh, God.
Don't make it, man. You're not dead, man. You don't catch back. Don't turn around, man. You go in and out.
If it's all I do,
Hold on. Go. Try to wheel up your line.
No, man, no. Give me. Don't mess up. No, man, I feel Caroline.
A female line.
My line, they don't mess up.
Hold on.
fishing.
Well, that's about it. We'll wrap it up now. You don't know. Thank you for checking in. It was an extremely fun video. You know, we'll wrap it up right now, you know. That is it.
Catch it on the flag when you
Last week when he flag about go we want to stay fishing.
What happened?
You want to stay fishing.
You want to stay?
take a bird them and come on.
That type of day it was ball to stay because it was so fun, but run out of bait and everything. I was a good day. We catch a couple only if I get to it, but you know a part of the fishing. So yeah, hope you enjoy this one. Until next time.